Hi everyone, welcome back to Rita Be Creative. Today we will begin one of 3 reupholstery projects. This series will kick off with a few unboxings of special tools purchased, not sponsored, to make things run smoothly. It will also have easy furniture fixes along the way. So let's get started. I purchased this air compressor online from Amazon. Check the description box below for more detailed information. Check the description box below for more detailed information on the required break-in procedure, as well as a link to the online owner's manual, which gives clear instruction on the bottom of page 12. Filling the air compressor only took a few minutes before reaching the max 150 psi. The compressor is loud, which is to be expected. I don't feel it's so loud that I would need air protection, but if using it in a small confined space, it may be necessary. The air compressor is heavy, weighing about 30 pounds, and it seems to be very well built. I trust this video has been helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel, we would love to have you join us. So what are you waiting for? Press that red subscribe button to help us reach 1,000 subscribers by 2020. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, be blessed.